Okay, as an extension to the previous exercise, what I'd like you to be able to do now is to take a diagram and choose different nets and show how you can label the vertices to know which point is which. So I'm going to start off with the basic cross, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose one square to represent the base. So the base is A, B, C, D. And what we're going to do is we're going to label each corner carefully as we go around. So the corner, I'm going to shape of the corners is that one's A, there's B, C comes next, and D. That's my base square. And now what I need to do is I need to think, right, as this folds up, what happens at the edges where there's a corner? So we can actually look at these two corners first. And we know it's quite clear that this edge and this edge are going to fold together. If they fold together, that point's going to become that same point, and that's a B. So this AB, we've got the one on the base, but we've also got it now on this side here, EF. So up from B, so we've got A, E, F, B. This is this triangle, this square. We've got the base AB, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Now I've got another side with AB on it, and above B is F. As I connect round this shape, I'm going to connect up the other sides. Above A, I've got E. So there's my square. I can keep doing the same thing and go around the shape. This edge clearly is going to fold down, so I've got EF. And I can do the same thing on the bottom. I've got DC. Clearly that folds round to give me C on the side. So we've now got this DCHG going on. Above D, so connected, above C, sorry, on the edge above C, I've got G. And from G, I get to H. These sides clearly join together to give me G. And the last two corners actually are either a copy of these two, or you can follow the same rule. You keep following. As you go away from this D, you go A and go to C, then you go to G, so this one would be G. G goes to H. H goes back to G, goes to F, so C, D, G. H is at the bottom, so from G, we're now moving on to the G, we go to F, and this is point F. And that's how you can label these shapes up. What I'd like you to try and do is do the same thing. Shade one base on a copy of a drawing of a cube and put onto it. Then use that to label up your diagram. And what you should be able to do is be able to say, well, A connects to B, which connects to F. And from F we go around to G. From G's we can get to an H, which closes to give me C. The C's close up around a D. So around the outside we can now see which ones are connected. That's how you can label a diagram. So I'd like you to choose two different nets and show how they fold using this labeling. So I'll give you a copy of this diagram.